Oscar, we got the fabricator. Hi.
Lieutenant, you've been busy.
First Minister Jin, you're looking magnetic.
Enough foolishness. You're coming with us.
Those are new, and they're armed.
They are. And here's what's interesting. Unlike you two, they actually follow orders.
What is this? You looking for a repeat of Settlement 2?
A highly successful operation. It's now our most compliant settlement.
Look, our village hasn't had power in weeks. We need this fabricator.
I don't care about the goddamn fabricator. You're taking my people.
What?
Don't forget, I know what you were trained to do.
Bye?
What the hell was she talking about?
No clue. But we need to get out of here.
That's mysteriously convenient.
Sorry I left you here.
It's okay. Turns out it was safer inside. Hey, smart guy. We're really getting into that thing?
We are, but feel free to stay if you like.
D301 activated.
Okay, you two, watch the fabricator. We'll take care of our new friends.
Watch it, it's gonna blow!
We don't want that!
So this is Jin's new super soldier, huh? I'm not impressed!
I kinda doubt they really care, Oscar.
Hey, less talking, more shooting!
It's dropping more DBs!
Reload initiated.
Stay down. Oscar, you and Del carry the fabricator. Kate and I got point.
Okay, let's get one thing straight. When you came out, I was about to make my big play against Jin. So you really didn't save me, per se.
Yeah, Oscar, it's fascinating. Anyone see a way out of here?
What is that?
Oh shit! They're smashing through the wall!
Come on, through here. Time to get the hell out of here.
You know what? I find myself agreeing with you more and more. Hurrah! Hurrah!
Condor, incoming!
EVP stinger activated. Unlawful stop. Unit reloading.
All right, big guy's down.
Hostile contacts. Eagle force authorized. Unlawful citizens slaughtered.
Down!
Unit relocating.
There's a dropship!
That's what I found.
Moving now. Hostile contact spotted.
Okay, that's all of them.
This raid was a bad idea. Feels like we just started a war.
You heard what Jin said. Whatever this is about, it's not raids. We need to get back. Talk to Reyna.
Yeah, because if there's one thing my mom loves talking about, it's the COG.
Watch it, tracker. Great. All right, come on, let's keep moving.
All the loyalty I ever had to the Cogs has been punched out of me. Still, it breaks my heart watching Jin rely on a bunch of glorified tin men.
You can always re-enlist. A couple of spots recently opened up in the Officer Corps.
No thanks. I'm more of a shoot than salute kind of guy.
Citizens, you are in an illegal area.
More DR1, take him out.
Activate suppression mode.
Really? Now?
I don't think so!
Got him. More drop pods incoming!
EV Shepherd operational. Major hostile contact acquired.
DR1! These things don't give up!
Unlawful citizen spotted.
Thanks. Good, we're clear. Hey, through here. This is definitely the way we came in. Just a little further.
damn it. Now we got snipers.
I wonder what else she's built!
More trackers! Just what I needed. Heads up, exit's just ahead.
I hope none of Jin's bots found Chuz.
Don't you worry about Ugly. He can take care of himself. Congratulations! You managed to get the fabricator most of the way out of the settlement. Now what?
Well, now we use that crane to lower us a path out of here. Easy.
Easy, huh? There are no controls. Only a DB can operate this thing.
Well, there's gotta be a way to lower it. Oh, look what I found!
Hey, we need a way to drop the slab.
Done.
Yeah. Let's go!
More DBs incoming!
Unit reloading.
One dead bug! Thank you!
Watch it! More snipers!
Another dropship!
Just what I need! Spot down! Get him out!
Sniper!
Got it!
Unlawful systems acquired.
That did it!
I gotta admit, Runaways, you did pretty good back there.
Pretty good.
Oh, so sorry. I meant magnificent. Oh, I've never seen such spectacular feats of combat.
All right. No need to be a dick about it.